Instagram videos without sound. To watch Instagram videos silently on an iOS device, simply switch on or off the switch on the side and adjust the volume to 0. For an Android device, adjust the volume using settings, or else use the volume switch on the side. For an iPad, adjust the volume using the switch on the top to watch Instagram videos without sound. In case your iPad top switch is not working, then use the deck menu to control the volume on your iPad. Similarly, use the technique on your Windows or other phones, but in case your hardware switch is stuck or is not working, then you can use volume control apps available for free for various devices. You can also use an unplugged earphone for your device to watch Instagram videos without annoying sounds. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.